Okay, so see, this is the structure. Now I can represent roller in this way also. Okay, roller means what? Wheels. So this is not a vertical load, this is an inclined load having a 45-degree inclination with horizontal. Okay, understood, right? Now now you tell me, I have given a inclined reaction, not reaction, inclined external load of inclined nature. Okay, how many equilibrium equations in total would be there for this condition? 2 or 3? Why? Okay, so you mean because it is inclined at a 45-degree with the horizontal, so if we resolve them in horizontal and vertical directions, we would get horizontal external load as well and vertical external load as well. Correct? So therefore we would have total number of reactions f of x0, f of y0 and moment about any point 0. So in total we would have 3. We would use 3 equilibrium conditions, so therefore the available equilibrium conditions in total are 3. So good, that means you are understanding the concept. So all these are roller. Now for a roller, how many reactions would be there?
2, sir.
How many?
2.
I have asked you for a roller.
Yes, sir. For a roller, there would be an horizontal and vertical.
Then for pinned?
And also horizontal and vertical, sir.
So no. See, check your notes quickly.
Yes, sir. Okay. For pinned, it would be horizontal and vertical. For roller, it would be only horizontal. Sorry, vertical.
Yeah. And do not say horizontal vertical. I told you what you need to say.
Yeah, perpendicular to the
point of contact.
Point of contact.
So the point of contact here is this,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now if I have to draw, what I have to draw? Perpendicular to that.
Yes.
Now the vertical reaction is, external vertical reaction is there and reactions are in vertical as well. Now we can say that when the moment I apply f of y, that means forces in y direction, would be equals to 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And I can also say that suppose if I take movement about this point, and I add them, it would be 0. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
But can I say that condition would be 0? Forces in horizontal would be 0. Can I say?
No, sir.
Why?
Because we are having 3 reactions, no, sir.
Okay. So
upward also the load is applying, from downwards also it is applying also from the three of the roller supports.
yeah, so what it has to deal with f of x0.
So f of x would not be 0.
Yeah, the reason I'm asking, correct reason. The reason is the answer you said correct, but there was no reasoning supported to it.
Okay.
So if reasoning is not there, whatever answer you tell, it would not make that much impact. So the reason is you have an external horizontal load. To counter that, you do not have any horizontal reaction. You have reactions only in vertical nature.
Yes.
So that is the reason this condition is not satisfying.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, any one of the equilibrium condition, if it is not satisfying, that structure would be called as unstable or unstable. Yeah, unstable. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Note it down. Note it down the concept, whatever you have learned in your own terms, quickly. Okay, Abdul, now sign conventions. Okay.